and Kildare were looking to buy a field for development, and the farmer here asked me was I interested in buying this field, and I said I would have had the money, but ended up I told the county treasurer at the time, and they came out and bought it, and I got in with it then. They built the building here, and I used to clean it up for a while, and then I started off with the footballers, underage and minor and under 21 and that, and with the seniors then. So I'm with them ever since, which is over 25 years. When they built the building in the first small dressing rooms and that, I used to clean them out and that for them. And then I got in with the footballer from there, started off then. Ever since then, nearly 7 nights a week at one time, which I'm with the seniors now all the time. I was with all age. And then I collect gear and all for all teams. Mick O'Dwyer was here for a while. He asked me would I look after the gear and that for them. So I started doing that then. And with the bus then, when I used to go on the bus, you wouldn't have that much gear then. I started off then, when I got my eyes done, I had a little van myself, so I used my own van. And then they got a van from Malin Motors. And then in 2010, Kieran McGean, he said the van was too small. So he got me a bigger one that could carry more stuff in it. Each day you'd have something to do. Well, there's training Tuesday and Thursday with them. And Tuesday I go to collect milk in Ballytor for them, Danbia. And we have that for the week. And then other days then I've other things to do. Go to O'Neill's, collect gear. And there's always something to do, travelling. And then at match days, I'd be at the dressing rooms an hour before the team, because I'd set up everything, have jerseys set up and make sure I have everything. First, when I can relax then when the team comes and enjoy it. Reaching the All-Ireland final in '98 was brilliant. And then in 2000 winning the Leinster. And we were dead at half time. Then they scored 2 goals at the very start of the second half. It was brilliant. So it was. After the match, I ran into the wrong dressing room. I was always a supporter of GA, but then when I get in with the lads, every lad is great, you know, and you get great crack out of it. And meet different people, make great friends, so you do. Oh, the teams is great camaraderie and great crack, and then of course the matches, brilliant. And you sure you have arguments and matches, and then after you're the best of friends. You know, it's great. I went through a good few managers, and a good few lads and teams and that, and I enjoyed them all. They were all very good. They all have great respect for me and that. That's brilliant. I know it's great to be recognised for something, and I really appreciate it, and the family appreciate it too. But it makes things worthwhile, that you're appreciated for all you've done and that. That's the main thing, you know.